In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn $15 worth of hardware supplies into a 50-pound longbow. First, you'll need some PVC pipe and measure the height up to your eyebrow, then cut it to size. You will also need some fiberglass driveway markers or any long fiberglass tubes that you will cut down to the same length. Make sure to wear gloves for the fibers as they can stick to your skin and feel as near impossible to get out.
Okay, so after some messing about, this is what I got. I cut off the end bits, stuck them together, and then taped them into the middle to make the thicker handle part. And I'll see if I can fit it down the PVC pipe. So it doesn't quite fit there, but I can make some adjustments. And I will try again. Okay, I've now got the tubes inside of the PVC. You can see the end there, they're all the way down. The handle piece is in the middle. And a great man once told me that with enough WD-40 you can accomplish anything. That great man is me, because I just did that. Now I'm going to cut in some nocks for the string and we'll see if I wasted money, and if you're seeing this, then it worked. Okay. The notches are on and the string is about to be on. So let's see if I can string it up and hope it doesn't break. I'm gonna need a shorter string. Okay, let's try this again. It keeps slipping. There's not enough bend in it. The string's too short. It's still just straight. But it does bend a bit when you pull it like that. So it got too dark to continue filming yesterday, but it does work. It does shoot an arrow, although there are a couple problems. The nocks are off center. The height of the string, I think it's called brace height, is next to nothing. So every time I shoot it, it slaps directly. It slaps directly against my hand, and I'm also shooting off my palm. So I'll show you it shooting, and then we're gonna fix up these issues and see how it shoots after. Okay, here goes absolutely nothing at all. Okay, I did manage to adjust the brace height a little bit, but it is still nothing. It is not even covering my thumb, which it should. I also added the most jank, ghetto, zombie apocalypse looking arrow rest you'll ever see. It's just glue, tape, and a nail, but I'm hoping it works. I will also test out the draw weight of this bow. But with the new string, or string length, I want to see how it shoots now. So hopefully it shouldn't smash against my hand. Oh, it still does. Oh well. That just got less. The brace height literally just went down as I pulled on that. Oh well, I'll have to try and restring it. I will also be testing out the draw weight of it and seeing how much it pulls without hopefully breaking anything. Oh, that is 50 pounds. This is somehow... There's an ice cream truck. This is somehow more powerful, or has higher poundage than my timber. This somehow is more powerful than my spotted gum longbow that I made myself earlier this year. I don't know how, but it is. It's definitely not as good of a bow, but it's more powerful. I don't know, zombie apocalypse, government meltdown, which is probably gonna happen. Something goes down, this isn't a bad tool to use, apparently. Okay, so I've now fixed the brace height, and it is perfect for me with my little thumb trick. So now I think it's time to give it a proper shoot. try two at once.